Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 77 Greendale. This lady says it's backing up on her every 3 months or something. Every couple months it keeps backing up. Come out here and open it up. Usually get a bit of roots out of there. I just got it open again. I'm going to go ahead and put a camera in here and take a look and see what's going on in here, if there's any problems that need to be addressed. You got a main back there that was backed up on Saturday that the city had to come out and open up, and she was still backed up. So like I said, I just opened it up again, and we're going to go ahead and put this camera in there and see what we got. Alright, so we got our camera ran to the main here. Just about 60 feet almost. They said they've been opening it up in 70. I got somewhere around there 70 or something that I opened it up at. See, there's a little bit of roots that were growing in the side there. I put a piece of cable with a good bend on the end, because you're only able to run a small cutter to this 3-inch riser pipe here. So I used a piece of cable with a bend on the end of it and worked at that spot real good. See, there's some roots growing in there. Let me pull it back, show you what it looks like. We got a little more roots growing in the top there. I cut them back pretty good. A small amount of root there. Small amount of root there. Here we are at the sweep of the riser pipe here under the trailer. So her line's pretty good. I don't know, there might be some roots in the main maybe, but like I said, they just cleaned that out the other day, so it should be good. And like I said, I ran her line pretty good, and as you see, we cut them roots back the best we could. So barely any left in there, so she should be good for some time till them roots grow back. But yeah, should be okay now. All right, thank you.